Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You've got the workbook open. Now pick the row that will become your header and type concise labels for each column. Make sure labels describe the data type so sorting and formulas behave predictably. Once done, adjust column widths to fit text and set text wrap if needed. Also enable freeze panes to keep headers visible. These initial choices save time later because consistent headers drive filtering, sorting, and accurate references in formulas. Now format the header row so it clearly separates from data. Bold the text, choose a subtle fill color, and add bottom border for clarity. Align and wrap text to maintain readability and avoid merging cells unless necessary for presentation. Next, go to the Data tab and click Filter to add drop-downs to each header. This enables quick sorting and conditional filtering. Make sure filters match the data type. Numeric columns should sort numerically, dates chronologically, and text alphabetically. Finish by freezing the header row so it stays visible as you scroll. This aids navigation in large datasets. Then protect the header row if you need to prevent accidental edits, and save a versioned copy to preserve structure. If filters or sorts act strangely, make sure there are no hidden or merged cells and that the header row is a single contiguous row. If problems persist, clear formats and reapply header styles. This often restores normal filtering.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.